Okay, picture this. You're looking out over a sprawling, futuristic metropolis. I'm talking towering skyscrapers, high-speed roller coasters, and spacecraft charting courses across literally billions of kilometers. Welcome to this explainer for Class 12 Mathematics. Today, we're not just prepping for your CBSE boards or the JEE, we're looking at the actual real-world math that builds everything around us.
But here's the real question, right? How do engineers actually build those mega skyscrapers so they don't just topple over in the wind? And how in the world does NASA land a rover on Mars, millions of kilometers away, with absolute pinpoint accuracy? When you're dealing with these kinds of monumental engineering feats, guessing is absolutely not an option. One small mistake, like even 1 degree off, and the results could be a total disaster.
Okay, let's dive into this. The answer to those massive engineering challenges? It isn't magic. It's mathematics. Specifically, it's geometry. It is literally the invisible blueprint of our world. You see, it isn't just about drawing basic shapes in a notebook. It's the powerful underlying code that transforms human imagination into absolute mathematical certainty.
So, here is our actual blueprint for today's explainer. First, coordinate geometry. Second, conic sections. Third, the power of triangles. Fourth, geometry in real life. And finally, we'll wrap up with an interactive challenge. We're going on a journey today, from a microscopic point all the way out to the macro universe.
All right, part 1, mapping with coordinate geometry. Think of this as the GPS of mathematics.
Imagine trying to navigate the Earth entirely without maps. Finding a specific location would be a total nightmare. Well, coordinate geometry, often using the Cartesian system, steps in as the ultimate tool. It's a system where every single point is identified instantly by just 2 numbers. Think of it exactly like your digital maps app. You have an x-coordinate telling you how far east or west to go, and a y-coordinate telling you how far north or south. So if you're plotting a point like 3, 4, it guides you exactly 3 units to the right and 4 units up. Boom, you found the exact location instantly. Let's actually see how this builds and works in the real world when we calculate the space between 2 objects. Suppose 2 rescue helicopters are flying in a massive storm. Chopper A is at coordinate 1, 2. Chopper B is at 4, 6. How far apart are they? Well, first we grab the distance formula. Next, we substitute those helicopter coordinates in, and then we do the math. The square root of 9 plus 16 equals the square root of 25, which leaves us with exactly 5 units. That right there is perfect, reliable accuracy when lives are actually on the line.
Moving on to part 2, the conic sections family, or as I like to call them, the amazing family.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it maps mathematical concepts directly to real life. Imagine taking a glowing 3D ice cream cone and slicing it. Depending on the exact angle of your cut, these beautiful, complex curves emerge. A perfectly flat slice gives you a circle, which we see in things like water ripples. Stretch that circle into an ellipse, and suddenly you have the mouth for planetary orbits. Slice the cone at a steep angle, you get a parabola. That's the high arcing path of a cricket ball, or the curve of a satellite dish. And cut it vertically, you get a hyperbola. Those open, curved branches are exactly what's used to build powerful telescopes and guide deep space navigation. Let's zero in on the simplest conic section, the circle. The equation you're looking at right now is essentially the mathematical DNA of a circle. If you have a center at coordinate 2, -3, and a radius of exactly 5, it creates this precise equation. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 25. This is a foundational concept you absolutely must master for your exams, because this simple set of numbers perfectly codes the geometry of that circle, locking its exact shape into physical reality. Okay, part 3, the power of triangles. Quite simply, the strongest shape out there. If you've ever looked at a massive suspension bridge and wondered why it has thousands of steel triangles holding it all together, it's because triangles are the most incredibly stable shapes in structural engineering. You've got 3 main players here. First, the equilateral triangle, where all sides and angles are equal, creating perfect balance. Then, the isosceles triangle, with 2 equal sides and angles, offering this beautiful symmetry. And finally, the scalene triangle, where every side and angle is completely different, a highly adaptable shape you'll find occurring naturally all over the place.
But hey, here's a critical test for you. Think about this for a second. Can you build a physical triangle with sides measuring 2, 3, and 10?
The answer is no way. Absolutely not. 2 plus 3 is 5, which is obviously not greater than 10.
If you tried to physically connect those pieces, they would just lay completely flat. Without mathematical rules, this shape simply cannot exist in the real world. So the crucial point is the triangle inequality theorem. It states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must always exceed the length of the third side. This is a massive, favorite concept on the JEE and NDA exams because it is the ultimate structural law. It governs whether a triangle can actually hold together to support the immense weight of a bridge or a skyscraper. All right, shifting gears to part 4, geometry in real life. This is where math powers our civilization. We've looked at the equations and the basic shapes, but this brilliantly illustrates just how vital this math is out in the wild. You've got architects designing towering skyscrapers and civil engineers laying out massive highways. It's doctors analyzing 3D medical scans, engineers programming robotics, and AI mapping geometric relationships for stunning computer graphics. Everywhere you look, from your daily GPS apps to NASA sending spacecraft across billions of kilometers, geometry is the quiet engine working tirelessly behind the scenes.
Okay, part 5, interactive challenge. Let's see how much you've retained.
Let's lock in everything we covered today. I'm going to throw a couple of rapid-fire questions at you to really cement these concepts. Let's see how much of this invisible blueprint you can decode. First question, which conic section describes planetary orbits? Think back to our glowing sliced cone. Got it? It's the ellipse! Spot on. It's that stretched circle shape that dictates exactly how the Earth travels securely around the sun. Let's hit the final challenge question. Keep that momentum high. What rule determines whether 3 lengths can actually snap together to form a triangle?
It's the triangle inequality theorem. Fantastic work. You've just proven you understand a totally essential mathematical blueprint that's going to serve you on every upcoming board and competitive exam.
As we wrap up this explainer, I really want you to remember this quote. Geometry is much more than lines and angles. It is the invisible blueprint of our universe. Every road you drive on, every airplane in the sky, every smartphone in your pocket, it all exists because of the mathematics we explored today. Math is literally what transforms human imagination into breathtaking reality. So I'll leave you with this final, provocative question. The next time you look up at a towering skyscraper or spot a satellite drifting across the night sky, will you just see steel and lights? Or will you see the math that built it? Keep applying these concepts, crush those exams, and never stop learning.